It's early on in the, I guess this will be the blizzard of 2013 probably. Probably got 8 or 9 inches of snow so far. Wind is pretty strong. Drifting a couple of feet deep in places already. Paths I've shoveled are already drifting over 10-15 minutes later. It's probably about 10 degrees out. Obviously pretty strong winds. Supposed to get another foot to foot and a half more. Pretty cold out. Just brought in 2 wheelbarrow loads of wood and 2 boxes for the upstairs stove, the smaller stuff. It's gonna be quite the storm. We didn't have any drifts when the storm started. The ground was bare. We got a long way to go too.